Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to copy and paste on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, so we can now turn our attention to the Mac computer. Let's now copy and paste. So we have a folder, a file, an image on the desktop. Let's just highlight, right click, copy 3 items. Let's now create a new folder. Call this folder go within the folder, increase the size of the folder itself, and now right click, paste 3 items. So now the items have been pasted. If we delete the items, highlight, command delete, items have gone. Go to the bin, empty, yes, and now we can also highlight as we did before, command C, go within the folder, command V to paste, command C to copy, command V to paste. Let's now delete the folder as we no longer require the folder, empty bin. Go to the Launchpad, go to Mac Office, Microsoft Word. Let's just start a new document for this video. Click on the blank document, increase the size of the page itself. Let's just type computer science videos. Now, as before, we can highlight, right click, copy, go to a new line, right click again, paste, or we can delete, command A to highlight, command C to copy, go to a new line, command V to paste, and so we can quit Word, don't save. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.